If you want to stay up to date with what's happening over here at D&D Sports, check us out on all our different social media. All right, D&D Sports fans, welcome back. The week before Christmas. Not sure my table's going to be big enough. We just keep getting order after order. This is a combination of what we received on Friday after I released a video. And then we also got a delivery on Saturday. I do have to apologize though. In the big box, we are missing a product. I got a call from the North Pole. Santa needed it shipped as soon as possible. So that's what happened with that one. But it was a Slash 4x4. The brushed version is what was missing out of there. So in this box this week, I can see an orange Max body already going up there. Some packaging peanuts. Looks like there is a Rustler 4x4 bag of parts. Slide on over here. You got a battery warning on the side, so that should tell you guys what this is going to be. Looks like it's a completer pack. So we'll pull that out here in a second. The next small box looks like it's all going to be parts. And we'll dive into these two big ones once I move some stuff off the table here. Alright guys, made some room. And remember, in this box we only have two products. The third one, which was right there, like I said, was a 4x4 Slash. So what we have here is the white and black onboard audio Slash. That's actually a special order for a customer. And it looks like we have a blue Sport. So we'll pull those out and get this big box off the table. Alright guys, so what we have next, this is a new product. If you can read the name on the side, if you know anything about the product, this is not Traxxas. Let's see if we can tip it down here. There you go. Got the new Red Cap branding logo on there. That's pretty cool looking. This is the Gen 8 Axe Edition. So as you follow through my channel, we will do a review on these. They got a lot of upgraded, a lot of new parts on it. Let's pull everything all out and check out everything we got in these orders. Alright guys, there it is. That's a lot of stuff on the table. Let's start up here on top. Rustler 4x4. I do think that one's blue though, not red. The axe. So I set it up so you can see the side of the box along with the front of the box. So we did get two of the Gen 8 axe. 3S completer pack. So what you get there is you get a single battery charger and the 2849X 4000 milliamp 3-cell battery. Got the Max body, Slash with onboard audio, and you got the Sport, but it's blue, not tan. In front of the Sport, we got some shocks. Stainless steel hardware for the TRX4. An absolute must for anybody running them in water, sand, salt water, anything like that. You're going to want to upgrade your hardware kit to the stainless steel. All right, the rest of the parts we got here: Max parts, 8930, upper and lower A-arms. Still very popular. People are changing up the colors, wanting to make them unique. 8897. We've been selling a bunch of these. Those are the additional two lights for the 6x6. Here is the 8026X. That's the original 6 lights that you would need. 8028, that's the power supply to power all those lights. 8074, we haven't seen that one in a while. That's actually a spare tire for the Bronco, the TRX4 Bronco. Mounts on the back. There's another 8028. Wheelie bar 3678. Wheelie bar for a Stampede. Some more Max parts, more chassis Max parts. This 8950 right here. This is the stainless or the steel drive shafts that everybody was saying they absolutely had to have on the Max. Long arm lift kit. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a short chassis to a long chassis for your TRX4. So if you want to make your TRX4 long to fit other bodies, you would need the 8057. It's Monday today. I'm going to be placing another order. Hopefully UPS can get it to me before I have to release any videos on Friday. All right guys, it's Thursday evening and we just got done picking the 12 days of Christmas winter. Thank you to everybody for participating in that. It was a great time reviewing, reading all the comments that you guys left. I did keep track of every one of them on a spreadsheet, which you guys will see here in a few minutes at the end of the video. But to wrap up this week, we got 2 packages on the table. The first one, let's just look at this big box. I laid it on its side this week so we weren't trying to crawl and look inside. Looks like we got a red K5 Blazer, a Ford Raptor. Looks like there might be a Max tucked away in there. Let's pull those all out and check it out. All right, guys, you can see them sitting there behind it. Let's look at this last box. That's all that was in that box. Those 3 trucks. That looks like a big bag of parts to start with. Clear body, some parts, more parts down there. Let's dump it all out. Looks like we're getting some more cool orange stuff in. Let's dump it all out and see. Well, here it is, guys. There was a lot of parts in that box. So let's start right up here. We have an 8611, which is an E-Revo clear body. Underneath that, we got the K5 red Blazer. Under that, we got the Fox Edition Ford Raptor. The 2 bodies up on top, those are going to go to my good buddy Johnny Rains. If you haven't checked out his channel, there'll be a link in the description. Head on over there, check that out. He does some awesome work, which will be featured on this channel here shortly, because he painted us up a body, and in exchange, we're going to send over some clear bodies for him to paint up for some other customers. Underneath that, we got an orange Max, and then we got a pile of parts here, guys, from batteries to Max parts. We got some more of the orange A-arms. We got rims for the Max, the 8119, these snorkel kits. We sell a ton of those things. 8118, this is a spare tire rack. This is a new part, the orange. So you guys have seen the green, the 7490G. Well, the red and the orange are now available in the motor mounts. So, you know, if you've been waiting for those colors, they've finally come out. So as we scroll through there, there is just a ton of parts. There's some 7186. Those are for 1/16 scale E-Revo light kit. We got bumpers, more parts, more wings. All right, guys, all these parts can be found on eBay or over at our online store at www.ddgamezone.com. So if you're looking to get any Traxxas parts, check it out. And if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Turn on that bell to get notified anytime we release a new video, including these weekly What's New in the RC Shop. Now, next week is the week of Christmas. I do have an order coming in on Christmas Eve. Maybe we'll still throw a video out there the day after Christmas or the Friday following Christmas. Won't be very big, but we'll throw it out there, and we'll see what we still got. As Christmas wraps up here, we're hoping the orders stay just as busy, but we're not sure. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I appreciate every one of you guys for watching this all the way to the end. Now, stay tuned to find out who the winner of the 12 Days of Christmas is. All right, D&D sports fans, the last time we did a giveaway, I had random piece of paper sitting on the table, and I drew a number out, and some folks didn't feel that that was fair that way. So this time I'm going to use random.org number generator. There was 82 people that made comments over the 12 days, and of those 82, the order that they're in is how you commented on day number 1. So that's where I generated the spreadsheet off of day number 1, and then I went through each comment every day and added it to the spreadsheet. So let's see who our winner is. It is number 31. All right, guys, so on the spreadsheet, number 31 is Island RC Duke, and you can see He commented on all 12 days. So he did qualify. So congratulations to Island RC Duke. He is the winner of the 2019 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Island RC Duke, my email is in the description. Please send me a message and I will get this out to you as soon as possible.